Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do turn on the post notifications so that when I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, we are doing this beautiful hairstyle. I actually shook myself when I was sewing myself in. It was my first time sewing myself in at the back, but you'll see as the video goes. First things first, you want to go ahead and prep your hair by making sure that your hair is washed and your scalp is clean. Yes, you can moisturize your hair, but just a little bit, not too much. And also base your scalp. One mistake I used to do back in the days was to do my ponytails on completely dry scalp and hair. That really had damaged my hair. So guys, please do take note that you need to wash your hair and make sure that it is moisturized, not too much, just minimal. But yeah, and then you want to go ahead and section your hair in a half up, half down, exactly as I did. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and open your zigzag line in front, exactly as I am doing. It's been a while since I did a zigzag. I think the last time I did a zigzag line was when I was in high school. You want to go ahead and tie your two ponytails on the sides, leaving the back undone, and then you want to section out the hair for edges, and then you want to go ahead and take your Dark and Lovely styling gel, and then you apply your Dark and Lovely styling gel on your hair. I realized that I did not tie my hair properly on the side while I was applying the styling gel. The wool was getting loose, so I had to retie it again. So yeah, to make it more stronger. And then I like to polish my styling gel application with the brush, and then you go ahead and do that. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and braid your hair out of the way so that it doesn't disturb you while you are doing other things. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and do your edges. I'm doing like old school edges, the back in the days edges. Yeah, I know we've advanced now, but I felt like, I just want the old school edges. So yeah, I did those edges. I know now we no longer want like a lot of edges. And then you want to go ahead and dry your styling gel with warm air, exactly as I am doing. This might take a little while. If you have like the big hair dryer, you can use the big hair dryer, the ones that they use at the salons. That one is quicker to dry, but this one also dries the gel, but it just takes longer. And then you want to go ahead and braid your hair at the back, straight back, cornrows. Yes, that's what you do at the back. So make sure that you do the first line. It must be nearby your hairline, if I may say, if I'm correct. Yes, it's hairline. Even if it's the back, it's hairline. Yeah. So yeah, you do that. And then when you are done doing your cornrows, I really shook myself here. Yes, I know how to braid my hair, but I was not looking at myself anyway. I was, as you can tell, even closing my eyes, just imagining and doing, though my lines are so untidy, but as long as you have braided your hair at the back and you can sew in the hair, that's all that matters, because nobody's gonna see your lines at the end of the day. But do make sure that they are medium size, they're not too, no, they're not too big. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and also move that out of the way, make the ponytails you did on the side, make them bands with a rubber band. And then you want to go ahead and take this affordable hair extension, and then you want to go ahead and take the 22 inches and the 24 inches and bind them together like that. And then you want to go ahead and sew it in at the back. This is the part that really shook me. I never thought that I was like, it was my first time sewing myself in, so I was like, hey, what can't I do? Because Sanaram, I know that I can braid my hair, but sewing in, I never thought. But I was like, you know what, because my mom was busy, I was like, I don't want to bother her. She was busy at the salon, so I was like, let me continue and do myself a favor and learn how to sew myself in. And it really came out nice, and I was so shocked. Like, I always surprise myself. And then when you are done, you want to take your crochet and then you pull the hair from the hair to hide the threads. Is it threads? The wefts, yes, not the threads, the wefts of the bonding. You do like that, so that I did not leave my hair out to cover the bonding wefts, or the bonding threads rather. Yes, I was right when I said threads. So reason being, I don't have curly hair, so yeah, I was like, you know what, let me just use a crochet to pull some hair to hide it like that. Can you see? I'm still gonna do it, and I'm still gonna do it all the way around. So, and then when you are done, you want to go ahead and sew in the band that you did with your own hair. And then you take the other two bundles that were left, you take one and you sew it in on this band. And then when you are done, you are going to do a band with it. But for now, just sew in the hair exactly as I am doing. This is the easiest way to sew in the hair. If you are doing your own hair, you just sew in the first part and then you roll it around. Make sure that it's tight but not too tight, because you don't want to hurt yourself. We don't want painful hairstyles, guys. We want to look beautiful without feeling pain. I don't understand the concept of looking good and also having a painful head. I don't get it. So every hairstyle I do, I make sure that I don't hurt myself. And then you wanna go ahead and sew it in exactly as I am doing. And then when you are done, you take your donuts as your boosters. You put it in like I am doing right now, and then you want to go ahead and roll the hair around. Don't forget to leave like few hair what do you call this, few hair pieces. Yes, don't forget to leave few hair pieces to make it a little bit messy, and then you roll it around exactly as I am doing. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and secure it by sewing it in. Can you see the bun is not sitting well? You can always fix that with sewing it in. I'm just gonna show you just now. So this is how you fix the bun to sit properly. You press the bun down and then you sew it in exactly as I have done. And then when you are done, you see I'm pressing it in and then sewing it in so that it sits down properly, it doesn't fly. So yeah. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and cut the wool and then play with the hair just to make it messy. And then when you are done, this is how it looks. It looks so good. I love this hairstyle, you guys. I love it so much. Look at the curls. The curls are killing. You would swear that these are expensive curls. Kantina, it's affordable hair. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Don't forget to watch the next video. I'm gonna see you on the next coming one. Please do subscribe, share my video, like, comment, and also stay blessed. God loves you and I love you. Mwah.